This is a very nice 3D printed model that I found on the internet. I enjoyed making it, and my grandchildren loved playing with it. It has a very unique mechanism inside. It's all 3D printed except for the O-rings that are on the wheels. The unique mechanism is that little gear right there in the bottom that when you wind it up and let it go, that gear drops out, letting the car coast for a long way. It's a very good design. Here, I'll show you that little gear. It's a little hard to see, but see it drop right there. And here, let's see it run across the floor. Boy, it really rips and hit the door. It would go a lot farther if it had the chance. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not my design. I'll leave the links to the original designer in below, but it was a fun toy to make. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit the like button or subscribe. I try to put stuff up that's of interest, mechanical, 3D printing, whatever. Have a nice day.